I don't get why you're wasting a perfectly good afternoon. We're legends, Yeti. We don't get hurt. We cause startled hikers. It's not about us, Bigfoot. It's about being ready for anyone. What if one of the deer faints from excitement after seeing us? See, accidents happen to even the most famous of us. Are you okay? Should I start compressions? I learned from the best. Valentine Training Services.
No, I'm fine. Just, my pride is bruised.
All right. Fine. You win. Show me that push on the chest thing again.
Get life-saving training you can count on at Valentine Training Services.